Hi, it's Caitlin, and here are my top 4 tips for getting started on the scroll saw. Tip number 1, purchase high quality blades. You don't need the biggest, fanciest scroll saw around. All you need is to make sure that you purchase high quality blades. Putting a high quality blade in a cheaper model saw can make a huge difference. So don't cheap out on your blades, spend the money, it's worth it. Tip number 2, always protect your surface using painter's tape or contact paper and use spray adhesive to glue your pattern down. You don't want to spend tons of time after you've cut this piece out scraping spray adhesive off your wood. So protect it first, you'll be happy you did, and time is money. Tip number 3, always make your interior cuts first. Doing this will keep your piece more stable. After spending all that time cutting it out, why would you want to risk breaking it? So drill your pilot hole and cut those out first. Tip number 4, practice a lot. Start out simple. Scrolling takes a lot of practice. Your hands need to learn the saw, they need to learn the blades, anticipate movements, and that takes time. So practice a lot, don't give up, don't get discouraged, keep practicing and keep on going. If you found value in this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Make sure that you're following me on Facebook and Instagram at Stronger by Grace Designs. I also have a website that you can check out. Everything will be linked in the description below. Hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all my latest projects, tips, or to be inspired. I've got to go because I've got a chainsaw to cut. See you next time.